Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is MK. So this video is about a new indicator, option strategy all in one. So when we say all in one, it does a lot of functions in just one indicator. So let me just tell you about the features. So using this indicator, you can build custom strategies, whichever strategy you want, like strangle, straddle, iron condor, butterfly, jade lizard, or anything, any name you know, you can build that. And then it will also plot like live strategy charts. For example, if you've done a short straddle, you will see short straddle, short strangle, whatever is their net credit or net debit, overall strategy chart that you'll be able to see. You'll be able to see both in candles as well as in line chart. Then you also see ATR trailing, which is useful for short straddlers, so that they can make maximum gains out of their short options positions. There is also an EMA. If you don't want, you can hide that. Then there is live PNL table. For example, in the screenshot, um, we have sold 5 rupees and 4 rupees, both call and put. It's a short strangle, very far out of the money, and what price you entered in morning, what is the current price, and then what is your live PNL situation as per the current spot and week's condition. So it'll learn right. You there is space up to adding 6 legs. So it supports 6 legs. It supports multiple expiries in case you want to do calendar, etc. So you have the option to choose expiry as per each leg, and then you can do bar replays, etc., to see how the performance is going on. These are very broad, but the main thing here is to you need to make sure that all the inputs are critical and that you need to enter carefully. Meaning, for example, bank nifty, the strike price of each leg, the entry price you are entering, which expiry date, what's the lot size. Otherwise the indicator will not work and you will message me that, sir, it is not working. So let me just show you from here. So this is how it looks like. First we'll see the um, situation. This is running live right now. Market is live. Morning we sold uh, the same position I took. We sold both call and put. 30 sorry, 60 lot both side, and they were running at 5 rupees around. And this is how the penal situation looks like. If you want to see here, you can go to here. So what we need to do, if you are working on bank nifty, we need to enter bank nifty, the lot size, and strike price. If we need to enable which strike price we need to work on, we need to enable to check box that, right. This is for 4900 for 500. Call or put, you need to select. Expiry date, you need to select. Please note, bank nifty and nifty, there are different expiries, so you have to make sure that you are everything is in sync, meaning the symbol and the expiry is in sync. And right now by default the next 4 legs are disabled. But let's say if I just enable any leg, let's say I enable the last one, enable this one, 4700 call, sell at 300 rupees. So it will also start showing up, and then this will also be considered in the strategy chart that you see in the background, this one, right. So you can do short straddle, short strangle, whatever you want. Iron condor, you can buy 2 legs after selling 2 legs, hedges, etc., and keep monitoring their live performance over here. There is provision to hide the table. You can, if you don't want this table, you can hide it. You can change the font size, etc., small, medium, large. You can change the position of the table in whichever screen side you want it to be as per your resolution. And you can change this to candle. Let's say, let me remove this strike. It becomes again back the short strangle that I was trading. And then you can say line chart. You don't like this one. Now you see a very smooth view of this short triangle being decaying since morning 9:15. It's like going down and then it became flat, and now it's looking to towards the closing. People are buying the hedges for out of the money, because overnight they don't want to carry some risk, so they buy hedges. Or majorly these are algos which closes their position as well. So both effect comes into play. That's happening right now. And what I wanted to show you, you can see the candle and line chart in both in just one indicator. So six legs, multiple expiries, multiple strategies you can do with trailing, with EMA, and with line and candle chart, everything at one place, and the live P&L performance as well. So if you like this video, I think I think it's very straightforward. The only thing is you need to make sure that the inputs are entered correctly. Otherwise, it will not work, and you will message me. And same question I have received for previous indicator as well. That it's not working, whereas people have entered the inputs incorrectly. So make sure inputs before you message me. You check in what the parameters you have entered, and for getting the access, let me tell you this link I'll copy in the video description. What you need to do is just go in the comments and give your ID over here. I'll just add it to you. Okay, and just read the description, etc. Watch the video once again if you're not able to understand. If you are in the group, you can reach out to me for any questions concern. Otherwise, this is the WhatsApp number for anyone who wants to join the group, or anyone who want to get the access. For access, don't message or DM or spam in the group. Just put a comment here. You will get the access automatically. You don't need to message me personally, or put any message in the group also. Okay, so this is how it will work. Let me just show you one more example. For example, if I change this to 47,500, right, and this also I'll change to 47,500, right. So right now they're trading at these prices. We can alter the entry price over here. Let's say we say 300 rupees we entered this leg, and 300 rupees we entered this leg. Let's say only one lot and one lot each. Then you will see the situation. 15 is the quantity for lot size, and one lot, and the total quantity is 15 per leg. And if you have entered a 600 rupees short straddle, right now it is trading around 475 around something, and this is the profit of it. So, and you can see by a candle view, if you want to see, this is the candle chart of short straddle. So it's like little choppy. So you can switch it to line chart if you want to, right? So this is the decay since morning for the 47,500 short straddle. So you can do any strategy. I just showing one example. You can do up to six legs. Okay. I hope you like the video. Share it with your friends. Retweet if I post it on Twitter. Just help retweet so that it reaches out to maximum people and they benefit out of it. So thank you, and have a nice day. Bye bye.